Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Kidde i9070 smoke alarm. So yeah, here it is. Here's the box. As you can see, the box says FireX smoke alarm, Kidde right up there, Kidde smoke alarm. 9-volt battery operated, front battery door, i9070 and its ionization. It is the battery powered one. It's just battery. Complies with UL, FHA, HUD, and NFPA. On the back, 9-volt battery, 85 decibels, 40 degrees to 100 degrees. Up to 95% relative humidity. Smoke sensor ionization. Model i9070, warranty 10-year excluding battery. 9-volt battery operated front battery door. Push button, test reset button. Install confidence. And there's Kidde's information. And then on the other side it just says FireX smoke alarm. Yep. FireX smoke alarm. And on the bottom it tells you what an ionization versus photoelectric is, and it's 0.9 microcuries of americium-241. Okay, so now let's dive in and actually see the alarm. So open it like that. Open it up on the side here, and got mounting hardware. Get the alarm itself, and we've got the manual right there, and there's a CAD drawing of it. Sorry about that. Now then, here's the alarm. Here's the mounting plate. So, yeah, this alarm is a cross between this, which is the Kidde i9010, and this, which is the i12060, which is hardwired. Right here you can see it's hardwired, and has a different mounting plate. These two have the same, and I'm kind of going to be doing a comparison between all three of these. Little light on the subject. Or not. It's causing a glare in the camera. Now then, come on, light. Now then, I got it set. So this is the i9010, this is the i9070, and this is the i12060. Now, first, I'm just going to be showing you this alarm. So yeah, let's go ahead and activate this right there and power it up. And it chirped. Battery drawer is a little harder to open than other ones. Does it have a draining sound? No, it does not. So, yeah, here it is. It has the two buttons. Battery drawer right here in the front, or battery door rather. And you pull that tab up, and then here's the battery. Right there. It's got something weird looking in the, I don't know why, but yeah, you can kind of see the LED in there. But yeah, it says Kidde right up here at the top. There's all that. Take it off. Here's the mounting plate. And it is not actually exactly the same as the i9010. This one has foam here, and this one doesn't. Yeah. The i9010, it's a little different. It's a lot closer to this than it is the i9010. Well, it's both of them mixed together. It's a hybrid between the i9010 and the i12060. So, yeah, let's give it a test now. There we go. Now I'm going to set the alarms beside each other and sort of compare them. So here's the i9010, i9070, P12060. These two are very similar. This one, it really is an even mix between both of them. As you can see, this one has the two buttons, and this one also has the two buttons with the split in the middle, whereas this one only has one single button. And I just set it off. There. This one just has the single button with the writing on it. Now these two have the same horn. Both have the black horn, and it is on the left side. However, this one has a white horn housing, and it is on the left side. And this one is significantly lighter than this. But this one's extra heavy. The hardwired one is heavier than both of them, but this one's extra light. This one says Kidde up at the top, and it's printed on there. This one has no Kidde markings. And this one says Kidde down there at the bottom. 10-year smoke alarm. And there's the lettering It appears the lettering is the same. Probably a little bit different font, and I think they used a slightly different plastic. The mounting brackets I've already shown you. This lettering is a little bit thicker down here than this one. And then we have these two. This is the battery version of that. Or you could say this is the hardwired version of this. These are the same alarm. This is the battery power, or this is the hardwire version, this is the battery power version. They both have the battery drawer, and they get stuck like that. This one does it too. They have the battery thing up front, and they both have that weird little, not even a chirp, it's just a tiny little sound. I'm going to drain them both so you can hear. You hear that? And do you hear that noise? Yeah. I don't know why it does that, but I've seen some versions of this with this style of button on the front too. I don't know why this one has the single, but it does. Now, let's look on the back of this one. i9070. If you want to read, just pause. Now notice there's this little thing that says lock. And I think this one has it too. Yes, it does. This one, it has it right there. And this one has it vertical. And the back is flush. I rarely see that on smoke alarms. Typically they have a little lip. This one's a 10-year battery and the sticker's starting to peel up. I've noticed that a lot with Kidde alarms. The stickers don't seem to want to stay on. But this one's pretty much flat. Actually, in fact, if I look at it, it is. Except for this part's raised, but there's no lip around the end, except for these little pieces. So, what this little lock tab does, let me find a key here. What this tab does is if you push this up, now as you can see it's locked. You cannot open the battery door. But now, with it unlocked, you can open it all day long. Right in there is the sensor. Yep, there's the horn, that little black piece, and where's the LED? Oh, there it is. And you just saw it flash too. Maybe. I'll make it flash. Right there. There. There's the LED. Yeah, the mounting brackets are obviously very different. Because this one's battery and this one's hardwire. But other than that, they're pretty similar. So, yeah. Taking another look at them. I do look kind of like that one better because it has just a flowing appearance. It doesn't have the battery drawer, but that's what I really don't like. Or that, rather. And as you can see, you can't close it unless it has a battery. And there's what keeps it from closing. There's a little tab there. Now, if I push the back, as you can see, that tab releases, and you can, in theory, stick something in there and close it. It's not a very good design. So yeah, now let's take a look at the manual. I'm gonna go handheld for this. Kidde smoke alarm user guide, model i9070, 9-volt battery operated. Getting tack on. If I can get this undone. Here's the English side. So if you want to read, just pause. Me there. This actually shows the alarm, but it shows the hardwired mounting plate. Interesting. Alrighty then, that is the manual out of the way. So yeah, that is the unboxing / review of the Kidde i9070. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.